Hello everyone. This will be our 13th video on how to integrate multi-agent systems with AI for process and efficiency analysts to make their jobs easier.
Hi. I'll tell you something. I have data. I have reports. I have graphs. And every week I receive new reports from different departments. But amidst so many dashboards and so many tools, the only thing I lack is clarity. It's like being in the middle of an information storm without a compass. Each one tells me something different, and in the end, I don't know what to trust or what to do with it all. It's frustrating.
And that's because no one unified the information or considered you as the end user. Systems were designed to generate data, not to help you understand it. That's why the system has a sub-agent specialized in displaying only the important information in a clear, summarized, and, above all, actionable way, the dashboard generator.
And what exactly does this one do? What makes it different from the dashboards I already have?
It takes the data collected by the system and the analyses performed by the statistical sub-agent and transforms them into visual, dynamic, and interactive dashboards. They're not just graphs or floating KPIs. They're intelligent dashboards that tell you in seconds what's happening, why it's happening, and what you should review or where to take action.
And are they personalized or generic, like those usual templates?
Completely customized. In fact, the system learns from your habits. You can have a specific dashboard for sales, another for operations, one for customer satisfaction, another for special projects, and also one for the CEO, which consolidates key strategic indicators: revenue, profitability, operational efficiency, goal achievement, emerging risks.
And do I have to configure that myself, or do I have to call a BI expert every time I want to see something?
None of that. The system generates it automatically. It uses the information it already has about your profile, your role, and your priorities. It detects what type of user you are and which indicators are relevant to you at any given time. And if you want to change anything, you can do so with just a few clicks. There's no need to use complex formulas, technical language, or waste time navigating through menus.
And does it update automatically, or do you have to upload the data every week?
It updates automatically, in real time if you want, or at the frequency you decide: daily, weekly, monthly. Every time data is updated in the system, the dashboard reflects the change instantly. And if anything falls outside the expected threshold, the system sends you an automated alert. For example, attention, the conversion rate dropped 15% this week on the online channel.
That helps me a lot. Because I don't want to be reviewing 1,000 dashboards every day or spending hours comparing reports.
And you don't have to. You can set up summary views to keep the most important information on a single screen. Plus, you can receive automatic alerts via WhatsApp, email, Slack, or whatever tool you use with your team. You can also receive weekly executive reports generated without you having to do anything. Everything arrives directly in your inbox.
And can I share it with my team or management without causing a problem with versions or permissions?
Of course, each dashboard has an exportable version in PDF or presentation format for display in meetings. It also has an online collaborative view where different team members can work simultaneously on the same information. And if you want, you can have different versions per level: one for executives, another for more operational work, and a technical version with detailed metrics and logs.
So what was once scattered data is now a true command center.
Exactly. This sub-agent is your dashboard. It's like having a copilot showing you where you are and where you should be going. And most importantly, it not only shows you what happened, it also helps you decide what to do based on that data. The dashboard agent becomes an action tool.
I love it. Because I don't want to be a Power BI or Excel expert. I want to understand what's happening, understand it quickly, and be able to act without wasting time.
And that's what this sub-agent guarantees: visual, understandable information, tailored to you, and directly connected to the action. The goal isn't to show data for the sake of it. It's to help you make better decisions, faster, and with more confidence.
Perfect. I've got the analysis and visualization down. Now I want to move on to the strategic part. Who's in charge of proposing improvements based on all this? Because seeing what happened is fine, but I want to get ahead of it.
I'll explain that to you in the next video with the subagent, Predictive AI, the continuous improvement agent. It analyzes patterns, detects trends, and suggests actions before a problem arises.
Very well. I'm now interested in learning how to anticipate problems before they arise and make decisions that truly impact them. First, I'd like to speak with someone to clarify a couple of questions I have about specific processes for my company. Can you put me in touch with someone?
If you have any questions or suggestions, just contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navaturrada on LinkedIn. He'll be able to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve the lives of people and companies.